Hi, I'm Becky Gordon for Avon Incorporated. Thank you for taking the time to view this short video on the Cyclops digital microscope. Cyclops is an innovative inspection tool featuring a 5-megapixel high-definition camera with both HDMI and USB outputs. In HDMI mode, simply plug the Cyclops directly into a high-definition monitor via included HDMI cord and begin observing objects in 1080p resolution. Magnification range in HDMI mode is 15x to 270x with an extended working distance range of 8.5 inches to 1 inch respectively. In HDMI mode, users can operate all major features, including lighting and autofocus via infrared remote control. In PC mode, using the included software, users can control focus, zoom, measure lengths and geometries, and compare objects side by side. 2 interchangeable objective lenses are available. The included 4x lens will provide maximum magnification of 270x on a 21.5-inch monitor, while the optional 10x lens will provide maximum magnification of 960x on a 21.5-inch monitor. 30 LEDs with brightness and sector control provide illumination to meet a variety of application needs. 2 LED piped lights are also included to add additional lighting where needed. The heavy-duty stand, included with the scope, allows for an extending working distance. Optional articulating arms are also available to extend working distances even further. For more information about the Cyclops, please contact Avon. Thank you.
Come along as we explore the microscopic world with the entire family. Whether you're in a lab, a classroom, or in the comfort of your own home, let your imagination soar, especially when you think you've found a national treasure with Pluggable's digital USB microscope. With an easy plug-and-play experience, place anything on the observation pad and see things you've never seen before. With 2.0 megapixels and up to 250 times magnification, you'll be able to explore the world invisible to the human eye. Then, snap a photo using the capacitive capture button on the top of the microscope, even with the lightest touch. Pluggable's digital microscope is for students, collectors, and science enthusiasts with a passion for all things microscopic. Try it out and tell us all the cool things you can see. Works with any Windows, Mac, or Chromebook computer. Android and Linux require additional steps.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.